Hi guys, it's Ms. Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 11. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to add and subtract tens from a multiple of 10. Now looking at this, we have this group right here, and then this group right here. And what we're going to do is that we're going to have to figure out how many tens are in that group and how many tens are in the other group. Now I know that whenever you see a bundle, we automatically should know that's 10. We do not have to try to count every one. So looking at this, I know that this first group right here has 2 tens in it. So I'm going to put 2 tens plus the other group right here also has 2 tens. So I know that if I add 2 tens plus another 2 tens, I know that it would be 4 tens. Now I know that because I know that 2 plus 2 equals 4, which would be the same thing. Now, another way that we're going to write it on this line right here is how much does 2 tens mean? Like, how much is 2 tens? Well, I know that 2 tens is 20, plus another 2 tens, which I know is 20, which will equal 4 tens, which I know 4 tens would be 10, 20, 30, 40. So I know that it would be 40. And then we have our number bond right here at the bottom. So I know that my whole is 40, because I had 40 all together. And then I had 20 in one group and 20 in another. Or 2 tens in one group, 2 tens in another, and then 4 tens as my whole. And then I'm also going to show you this next one. This one is with subtraction. Now looking at this, we see that remember we know that these are each 10. And we see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tens that were our whole. Then we X'd off 3 of them. And then there's only 1 10 left. So now what we're going to do is now we're going to look at 4 tens. Well, what is 4 tens? And we can count by tens, or you could just know what it is. So I'm just going to count by tens. Some of you might already know what 4 tens is, or how much 4 tens are. We know it's 10, 20, 30, 40. So it's 40 minus 3 tens, which is 10, 20, 30, equals 1 10, which is 10. So 40 minus 30 equals 10, or 4 tens minus 3 tens equals 1 10, which is like the same thing as saying 4 minus 3 equals 1. You're just putting that unit 10 behind it. Now for our number bond, our whole we know is 40. And our 2 parts was 30, which is what we took away. We took away 3 tenths. And then our 1 10, which is 10, that was left. All right, guys, that's it for this lesson.